Adi as a person, he's very, I would say, independent, and he has a lot of respect for women, because that's how I think Yash Uncle and Pam Aunty brought him up. Because when you see Yash Uncle's films, there's a lot of importance given to female characters. There was and Pam Aunty was a very important person in Yash Uncle's life through his professional and his personal. And I think Adi follows that, because that's the role models that he saw while growing up, and the importance Yash Uncle gave Pam Aunty in his life. So the way he treats me in his life, there's a lot of respect. And it's not that he tells me that there's a certain thing you should do. It's my choice. In fact, he's the one who tells me, why don't you go out more often? And I'm like, no, I just want to be at home. And the whole encouragement that I got to do Hichki was through my husband, because he saw me getting into the role of a mother too seriously, and he was like, you are Rani Mukherjee. You are answerable to your fans. You can't be doing this. You need to go back to the ArcLights. And that's when I did Hichki. Okay. So, as a husband, I think he was the wind beneath my wings, to be able to tell me that go ahead and live your life. You can't, just be at home and just following one role. You have other roles to also do. Okay. So I think that is very important, and that is what I try and keep talking in my interviews, that when husbands are listening, or they're seeing this interview, or families are seeing this interview, they should understand that every woman has the right to choose what she wants to do. If she chooses to be a housewife, great, because being a housewife is not easy. The amount of work that entails in being a housewife is very difficult, and I know that because I am one myself. Then if she chooses to work being a housewife, I think people in the family should also come together and help. It cannot be just that the woman cooks in the morning, goes to do the work, comes back and again cooks. That's a lot. Taking care of the child also, taking care of the in-laws also, taking care of the home also. It's a lot of work. Or you either pay her, pay her for those activities that she does.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.